Hello, hi traders. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing some trades. So let me show you. I forgot to record this one. I took already two trades. So why I placed here a call option means. So here we can see these two sellers I will consider as a pair, and again next two sellers will consider as a pair. When pair means pair is nothing but sellers who all are interested, they already entered completely. Pending means there are some sellers who are still interested in the market. They will be waiting for buyer's entry because of that particular level. So here sellers entered completely. So again buyers entered. When this buyers entered, so next candle I was expecting a sellers because already sellers entered completely. Okay, sellers entered completely and a bearish momentum, and one single candle there is a chance to enter sellers. But when market hit this price, market again by pushed up, it made a bullish candle. So this one we will consider as a confirmation candle. So buyers wants to go up, sellers already entered completely. So this candle was showing us sellers completely ended, so buyers wanted to take position. So this buyers showing us the market wants to go up. So again I placed here a higher option. So at that time these three will consider as a pair. Okay, so here if I see here, after this bullish candle we are seeing two bearish candles. So this will consider as a pair, and after this sellers we are seeing weak buyers. So we can expect a seller's entry, but again buyers enter means, so this is the confirmation candle to go for a higher option. So already sellers who all wanted to enter, sellers they entered completely. So buyers are willing to move up. So market wanted to go up. So again buyers entered, and these three will be pair, and this one will be pending candle. So this is the pending candle means buyers who are still interested in the market. Okay, this much of buyers are still interested in the market. So next candle was a seller. So if we see sellers, we can see weak seller, weak buyers and strong sellers. We can expect again a sellers of put option, but we have to wait. Already we are seeing some buyers are interested in the market and seeing a momentum. So again buyers entered very strongly, not medium, more than this one. Who all are interested, and more than that buyers entered very strongly. So again next candle was a call option. So I can place here a higher option, not here or not here. For this candle, not this candle. I can place here a higher option. So again buyers enter. So this is shows us, this candle shows us buyers are interested. So this one will consider as a pending. So these two will be pair. So again sellers enter because of the level, and again buyers entered. As compared to this buyers entry, these buyers are very weak buyers entry. So when I saw a weak bullish candle, I expect there is a chance to enter again a seller's candle, but again buyers entered. So this buyers shows us market wants to go up. But if we see here, this area, sellers are entering very so many times. The market is reversing so many times. So again sellers entered, but buyers wants to go up, but again sellers enter. When you can see here, when market hit this price, sellers entered, not from this point or neither this point. So this shows us market wants to go down. So I placed here a lower option because we have to see levels, candle size, who are interested and who are completely entered or sold their stuff or buy their stuff. So we have to see all those things. So I will take only one more trade because already I done my trades because of this sellers entry, and again it has to be sellers but buyers entered. So here sellers entered very strongly and again buyers entered. So when all sellers are entered, again buyers are showing their interest, but it reversed because of the round number or some levels. I will show here. In front of you people only I'm doing. See here, you can see so many times the sellers are reversing this one. So only again sellers entered. So again sellers entry. Sellers wants to go down, but because of this buyers entry, again buyers enter. So already we are seeing from this point buyers are trying to move up, and again buyers will enter. If again sellers enter, we can confidently we can go for a lower option, as we can treat this one as a retracement candle. Okay, this buyers we can treat as a retracement candle, right? Already sellers are interested. This much of sellers are interested, and again buyers entered, but again sellers are interested, but very weak sellers. But I thought it will go. I'm only confused here, but it has to be go down because already their sellers are trying, and already they tried, and after this bullish engulf also it didn't work, means sellers will enter for sure. So this is here we can see this candle will work as a reversal sign, not a continuation sign. We'll see here. Okay. Oh, it's a losing trade. It's a losing trade because of this strong candle and because of this weak sellers interested. So again buyers entered. So I placed here a higher option. This one will give me a profit trade for sure, because sellers are not interested here. You can see here only, when I had bid out, I lose this trade. So only I used to tell for everyone, don't place your trades on blindly or any guessings, because I thought previously only I mentioned this trade after this weak candle, there is a chance to enter sellers or buyers in this trade. But again, me only done wrong. But again, next candle was a buyers. Here I got a short, but because of this downtrend and momentum, it became a doji. But because of my entry point, I made a profit this trade, so I lost one trade. Actually, I needed one more trade, so I will take here itself. Already we all are know, from this point buyers are entering very strongly and already reversing very much time. So if market closes at this area, I will place here a higher option, or else no, I will not take trade, because I don't know about that, this candle or this movement. So we'll change to some other pair. Don't try on digitals. Okay, see, market is in trendy market only, but there is so many wicks and so many wicks and weak candle, we can't able to trade here. And I will go with this one. See, this is like consolidation area. Now market is trying to go down. We can't able to trade here also. GBP JPY will try on this one. See, this is the trendy market, so I can trade here one trade. If we see here, from this point strong sellers entered, right? And again from this week there is a strong bearish momentum, so I placed that point. And if I see here, After this reversals and again sellers entry, again buyers entered. So buyers entered. So actually next candle has to be buyers, but because of level sellers entry and again sellers entry. So next candle has to be sellers because of area is far, but buyers entered, right? Again buyers entered with new high. So next candle was a buyer. So I will consider these two as a pair and this one as a pending. Okay, pending means who is still interested in the market. Here is the round number. Okay, this one is the pending buyers who is interested in the market. So after this strong buyers also we have to see some strong buyers. See, I seen here a strong buyers candle with buying pressure and it made a engulf here also in sellers area. So there is a more strong buyers. So only I placed here a higher option. And the next reversal point is that one. If we see from this point there is sellers are entering. We have to see where we can able to take trades. This is the buyer's pressure. So if we see here, I can draw a trend line. So I draw a trend line here, so only it got reversed here. And this is the round number, so only buy sellers entered here. We have to check everything, but it's easy only, but we need some basic tips or some guidelines with some good now who had good knowledge, more than good knowledge, who have best money management plan and who have best support for at least you need 11 days to change your trading habits. Because even I used to take trades so many more than 10 trades or 20 trades daily, around 80 trades and all I took, but that's a wrong thing. Later on I decided and I tried to take only 3 or 4 trades in a day. That also within half an hour I have to take one short trade only. So like that only I reduced my trade. At that point only I used to get to know where I have to take trade. In that 30 minutes you will always be seeing market. You will be seeing where is the level and where is the which is the reversal sign and which is the continuation sign and where I can enter. If you follow this for 10 to 15 days, you will easily understand and later you will 100%ly you will be in profit for sure. So always try to be in profitable only. In practice account also don't try to take in any blind trades because that will which you do habits that will end up in real account also. So thank you for watching my videos and thanks for your support who all are ping me yesterday night and today also they are appreciating me. So I will help you out. If you are interested you can contact me and my contact details is in description. So thank